Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Facebook Messenger. Now, before we can download our recovered data, the first thing we're going to need to do is head over to Messenger on your phone, and then we're just going to head over to the top left-hand corner and come down to this menu. Click on the cog settings icon in the top right-hand side, come down to privacy and safety, then select end-to-end encrypted chats, and at the top here you'll see this feature for message storage. Now you just need to click inside of here and make sure this is turned on. So I'm going to go ahead and select turn on secure storage. This may ask you for your PIN code, otherwise this should just turn on automatically here. And once you've enabled this feature, we can then come back out of here, come back again, and then come back once more. And we're going to scroll all the way down to this Meta Accounts Center at the bottom here and just select this. This will bring up the account center, and from here we just need to come down to your information and permissions. Come over to download your information and then select the button download or transfer information. Select the Facebook profile from where you want to recover these chats from and hit next. Then select this bottom option of specific types of information. From these options, we just need to make sure messages are selected and hit next. And you will have the option here to either download this data to the device that we're currently using, or we can transfer this to a destination like the Google Drive, for instance. But I'm just going to go ahead and download this to my iPhone and hit next. Then we can select a date range. So if there's a certain period that you want to restore this data from, go and select that here. Otherwise, we're just going to select all time, and this is going to restore all of our chat history, and press save. Make sure the email listed down here is the correct email address, as this is where the file is going to be sent to. So I'm just going to select the top one here, and then we can just come down to create files. Now, depending on the amount of data, this could take a little bit of time to complete. And once this is finished preparing, then it's going to automatically send this to us in an email, and then you'll be able to download all of your previous data from that selected period. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.